Hi there, welcome again. This is the second video of Python programming. In this video we are going to run our first program. So to run our first program, first we need to go to our PyCharm. Here we used print function as basic start. So now we are going to PyCharm. So first you need to open your PyCharm, then click on this create new project. After creating, in this location section you need to put your location where you want to save the project, then click create. Then it will take some time to load all components and projects components. After finishing, it will show up here. Now we are going to create a Python file in this project. So right click on this and then new, then go to Python file. Now give a name. Suppose we are giving first program, then okay, then it will load our program. Here you can see this is the interface. Here we can write our code. So now I am typing my print function here. We use this function to print something. So now I am just print an integer value such 10. This is the integer value. So now go to the run up here and click on run. Oh, here we need to add the script path from here. Go on edit configuration. Now click here plus button, then click Python. It will add it here. Now double click on this. Now here you can see the interface. Here you need to input the script path which is on your project location. Now go to your project location where you set your project. This is the project folder. Now I'm going to BNB folder, and you can see the script folder also. Go to this. Now copy location from this and add it up here. Now click apply. I have already added, so it is show okay. Now go to the run and select your program name. Okay, this is successfully compiled and print the output here. You can see the integer value 10 will show up here. So this is the print function. Thank you.